Hey everyone, it's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Thanks for joining me today. If it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today I'm going to do some updated audio on how I use a CND additive to create a feature nail. I am going to be using a number 6 gel oval brush that has no product in it, completely dry, that I've rubbed against a towel to create some static charge. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and dip my brush into the additive and just use a pressing / burnishing motion to go ahead and get it to stick to the inhibition layer. And I just keep doing this until it's completely covered, and then I really rub it in. Today I have Lynn with me in the salon. She is one of my longtime clients, loves to do a little bit of oomph to her nails. So she is wearing CND Shellac Cityscape, Winter Glow, and Cake Pop on her nails. A beautiful combination, especially with the feature nail. Then I'm just going to check the neighboring fingers to make sure there's no flyaway additive. And if there is, I just use a cuticle stick to remove it from the inhibition layer of those nails. And then just repeating the same steps I just went over. And there you have it. That's how you do a feature nail. You can either use CND additives, you can use any type of loose pigment or glitter. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to ring the bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I post a video. Bye.